Hello friends, I am Aniket, I am Sarvesh and name of our project is Inventory Management System.
We are using files and the following data structure. The data structure consists of array of pointers pointing to linked list containing products. Files are used for permanent storage of items and data structure is used for temporary storage. There are three modules, namely login, stock management, billing. In login, user is asked for username and password. Initially, username is jharvard and password is crimson. If user makes an error, then an error message is shown and the software exists. For first login, user will be asked to create product database. Products are divided into 5 categories as shown. This is the menu for doing operations. Going into stock management menu. These were the items you inserted. In the insert new item menu, you are allowed to insert new product into the database. In the view stock menu, you can view your current stock. If quantity of any product is below 5, then it will be shown in red so that the owner can increase its stock. In the modify, the owner can modify any existing product parameter. This is an example of a modified product.
In billing, selling of product is done and the bill of the customer is displayed to him along with the total amount as shown. If the name of item is not present in the database, then it gives error message. If user enters quantity more than that in the stock, then an error message will be displayed as shown. Now, login module. User is also allowed to change the username and password. If the user enters wrong old username or old password, an error message will be given. This will be allowed for 3 times. Also, new password and confirm password must be same to change the password successfully. When user login second time, the database which is stored in the file is loaded and the user can perform operations directly without creating new database again. This was our project. Thank you.